Hey there, I'm Celia, a French freelance illustrator and full-time designer. Welcome in this new video. Today, paint with me a A6 Posca illustration. I haven't drawn a hand illustration in a long time, so I wanted to do it, but I'm super rusty with hand drawing these days. I start with a sketch in my sketchbook, then I use it as a reference to draw my hand on a A6 frame. For the hands drawing, I'm usually using my own hands as references directly by looking at them, or when it's complicated to keep the pose, I take a photo reference. It's the easier method for me when you know what pose you want instead of looking for a reference online. I wanted to do a wavy background because I really like them and to keep the hand white. I'm deciding quickly where the colors are going and then I start to paint. I hope you enjoyed this paint with me. Don't hesitate to tell me if you'd like more video like this one. And this is the result. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!